guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. I think it's so funny how majority of the comments are always like, am I the only one that says it with Franny? I feel like I say it a little different every time, so see who gets it that time like that. I don't know what I'm saying. It's just weird because I always say the same freaking thing. Like, should I just not say it? Should I just be like, hey guys, so today, like, no? I feel like, hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. It's like my thing. Whatever. I'm gonna make merch. It says, hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. I'm kidding. So today's video is like a DIY crafts type of video. But first, let me explain something. I got this idea like a month and a half ago. I'm not even kidding. I saw like one person post about it on YouTube. I forgot who. Then I went and ordered a pair of black sweatpants and a plain black crew. It took forever to get here because we can't really go out and shop. In that time frame, everybody and their mother has done this. So what I'm going to be doing is bleach tie-dye. Everyone has done it. I've seen so many videos pop up in the last week or two of people doing this at home. I've seen people regular tie-dye. I just want to say, I really did think of this idea like a month and a half ago, but everything just took forever. I finally found bleach, because clearly bleach is a very needed necessity, I guess, or needed item at the moment. Bleach was a hard find. Finally found bleach. So this just took me really long to prep for. So I got a regular black crew neck. It's kind of like oversized. I think it's a men's medium. I like my stuff a little oversized. And then I got my sweatpants. The sweatpants? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of splurged on the sweatpants. I bought Champion ones. I don't even know if they're real. I think they are real. I bought black Champion sweatpants because I knew that these would fit me well. I wanted to actually buy a sweatsuit that I knew that would fit me because I want to wear this. I've seen what these look like after and they look freaking cool. So like I want to be able to like wear it and I want it to look cute so I can, you know, wear it out and stuff. So if I mess this up somehow, I'm gonna be upset. So you are going to need bleach. I know this is a hard item to find right now, but I have gloves. These are like hair dyeing gloves that I had already. Also, if you are under the age of 18, please do this with a parent watching, or please do this with a guardian of some sort watching you or giving you the approval to do this, because bleach is not a safe thing to be messing around with. You know, bleach is a very strong chemical. It stains stuff, it ruins clothes, get it on your face, your eyes, your mouth. It's not good for you. So if you're under the age of 18, please make sure you have a parent or guardian watching you or have their permission to do this. If you are over the age of 18, be fucking careful. I have this empty, basically it was empty, and I used the last of it in my curls in my hair today, and it is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner. This is what I use on my hair, and it was basically empty, so I used the last bit of it in my hair, cleaned it out, and I'm gonna be putting bleach and water in this to spray onto the clothes. And then last but not least, actually no, not last but not least, second last not least, you need rubber bands. So I also ordered these. They are like these like thick, super stretchy rubber bands that you can just put over the clothes. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really seen that many tutorials. I saw one a while ago and I probably should watch another one, but I kind of want to make this interesting and just go for it. Last but not least, put on clothes that you do not care to maybe get ruined. So I have this Laney merch t-shirt that I used when I bleached the boys' hair. I ruined it doing that. I didn't even realize, like, I didn't think much of it, but I was wearing it. It already has like bleach stains on it. It's kind of like messed up a little bit. I don't even know where to begin. I'm kind of nervous. So let's put the gloves on. I didn't think I had gloves, and I was gonna do this without gloves. Please put some sort of protection on. So I've done my best to try and set this up in a cool manner. So I'm just gonna kind of crinkle it up, kind of like this, like one after another. They really said just have fun with it. Okay, so I have the sweatpants done. Time to do the hoodie, the crew neck. I don't know if if this is right, but I put everything into a ball. So now I'm going to fill up my little bottle, put these in the tub, rub-a-dub-dub, tubby-tub-tub. Also be careful when you open the bleach. So I'm gonna put like half of it in here and then put like a little bit of water in it, I guess. Okay, let's fill this up with water now. So they said to mix it a little bit. Hi, I'm here. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm kind of nervous. I'm just gonna start tie-dyeing bleaching. I don't know, let's do this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, it like instantly starts getting light. Hold on. Flip it and go again. Oh god. Don't forget to get the sides. I'm just like dousing it in it. Is that normal? It's turning different colors already. Oh no, did I mess this up? I think I messed it up. I think I messed it up already. Oh my god, it's changing colors. It's changing colors already. Did I screw this up? I don't know, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. This one's taking a little longer to change. I'm like sweating. What do I do? This is so interesting. This is already like the color I want it. What do I do? Do I just like leave it? Do I just douse it again? Okay, I'm just gonna leave that. This, on the other hand, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna leave it over here on the side. Why isn't it changing colors? Because it's champion? Okay, it's getting there. Guys, it's getting there. It's not as orange as that one though. All right, so I'm going to let this sit for maybe like 10-15 minutes. The paints aren't turning any sort of color, which I'm kind of confused. I mean, they are. Like literally the crew turned orange almost immediately. I don't know whether it's because Champion is just like a better quality brand. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and then I'll be back and I'll show y'all. Okay guys, so I'm going to untie the crew because I don't want it to get lighter than it is, because then the pants won't have time to catch up to it, if that makes any sense. Because if it keeps getting lighter, then the pants are never gonna get as light as it. Whoa, this is kind of cool. Oh wait, it's not even like that tie-dyed. That's kind of interesting. It's like low key. I don't know, I kind of like it. I like that it's like not too intense. Maybe like the front could use a little more. I remember whoever was doing this tutorial, something like that happened to her too. And she just kind of like re-tied the front a little bit. Okay, it's getting there. This is gonna be a cool set. Okay, the top set I feel like is a different color. This is gonna be real interesting. I already see this going downhill, but you know what, it's fine. Most of my DIY cooking / any sort of activity, craft just goes downhill. Like look at me, I'm just sitting in my bathroom floor waiting. So the pants got light, but they're like not the same color as this. I mean, does it matter? It's probably gonna look weird probably when I put it together. Okay, I'm gonna have to unwrap this now. You know, I probably should have put my hair up, but I didn't. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, hold on a second. These are cute. Hold on. It's like they're a little off in color, but like, I'm not mad about it. I mean, the thing is, it's like, do I want them more tie-dyed? It's like, they look kind of cool like that, but I don't want them too tie-dyed. I'm having a huge dilemma right now. Okay, the front is slightly changing colors now because I'm touching it with bleachy hands. I'm just gonna leave that in the sink. All right, let's look at this now. Oh no, okay, guys, we are getting somewhere. I think I'm like cool with this. This is kind of cool. I'm okay with this. So now I'm just gonna rinse it off in my tub with water. It's legit, like it's coming out orange. So apparently the water like stops the bleach from like working or something like that. I don't know. That can't be true. Wait, what? That's so stupid. I just mixed water with bleach. I don't know what I'm saying. So now I'm gonna take the pants again. Okay, you see the pants are different. I'm like tripping. They're a whole different vibe than this. You know what? I think this is the best I'm gonna get. I don't know why they tie-dyed to different colors. I just rinsed out this. I'm kind of confused why they're two different colors. Like the pants are like more of like a tan and the hoodie is like a bright orange. Like look, I don't know if you can tell, they're kind of wet, but like they turned different colors. I mean, I can wear them separately, but it would have been cool to wear them as like a set. Leave a comment down below if I did something wrong, or if there's a way that I can make this that color. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw these into the washer and dryer. I guess I'll show y'all the final result. The final result of this. This is so interesting. I'm so confused why they're two different colors. But it's fine. Like I said, I like them both separately, so if they don't match, then it's fine, but We'll see. Alright guys, so it has been about an hour. I washed and dried the sweatsuit. The crew shrunk. Probably shouldn't have dried it. Probably should have let it air dry, but at the same time, whatever. It's not like too small. It fits like good now. Does that make sense? Like it fits kind of like perfect now. So this is what it came out to look like. That looks so cool. Like the whole print of it and stuff looks freaking cool to me. Okay, so the crew is a little more orange than the pants. The pants are like a tan, so the sweats look like this. They're a little different in color, but honestly, I feel like I could pass by wearing it as a set. Like, I don't know if people really notice it that well. If you have any suggestions down below on how maybe I can make these spots a little lighter, like maybe I can just re-bleach these spots specifically, I don't know. The way that the tie-dye came out is sick. I am obsessed. And I think it's because like I didn't try that hard. Does that make, like I tried, but it's not like I tried to make it perfect. I tried to like just like have a fun good old time. I'm just like spritzing it and spraying it all over the place. All right guys, so here is the set. So yeah, the bottoms are definitely a little lighter than the top, but like I'm not mad about it. Like I'd still wear it together. Weirdly enough, I'd wear it together with just like some white sneakers. Right here it looks like super light in the middle, so like it kind of does match with the bottoms a little bit, but they are a little different. But I'd still wear it as a set 100%. This fits pretty normal and like pretty good right now. I am so impressed with what I did. You know, you just never know anymore. I really was just going for it, but you know what, it came out good, guys. You know, you can do fun things at home. Why not? I'm gonna be honest, the pants are still a little damp, so I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna let them air dry, but this is cool. I'm gonna take a photo in it and post and be like, I did this. I love suits like this. They're just comfy. It's just like a fit. Like throw it on with some sneakers, you're like, yo, what's up? I'm kidding. All right, I'm gonna go finish this video now. Guys, look at all my medals from freaking track and basketball and all right, whatever. All right, peace. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this interesting video, this quarantine craft, this entertainment of some sort, because I was actually extremely bored and I was happy that all this stuff finally came in the mail and I was able to do it. Like I said, I've been trying to keep myself busy doing some new things. This is cool though. I'm gonna see if I have anything else like old and black that I can just bleach, or you don't even need it to be black. It can be like a red sweatshirt, a yellow. It can be any color. You just have to bleach it, which is kind of cool. And for some reason, like tie-dye is huge right now. Everything tie-dye is like massive right now. People are buying tie-dye sets, tie-dye shirts, tie-dye sweatshirts. It's just like a big thing right now, clearly. Get on the trend, people. All right, I'm sweating. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see me do. If there are any other kind of quarantine crafts that you've been seeing on YouTube that I haven't seen yet that you would like to see me do, leave me a link down below. Let me know ASAP because I'm probably gonna have to order it. But please give this video a thumbs up. Wait, I already did that, didn't I? Comment down below. Did I do that? Damn, I'm just gonna do it again just in case. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. I did do that already. I did. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know exactly when I do. Do not forget to subscribe. Oh my god, guys, hold on. I just filmed a TikTok. It is the funniest. It's funny to me. I don't even care if y'all don't think it's funny. It's so funny to me, and I'm gonna show y'all the TikTok right now because it's so funny to me. I don't know why.
So are we cool? Like, are we in agreement?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I have to go.
What the heck is A, B, C, D, E, F, G mean?
It's just a phrase I like to use. That means
is that a real phrase?
the conversation is over.
So are we cool?
That's literally all it is, but I was very proud of it because it was funny. But anyways, guys, I love you, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Running right back to you.